You know, I actually agree with this. I really think she is crazy and scary and, uh, yeah, sociopath. I do. Did anyone else notice today that she said that she's been getting stuff about people putting her baby in a microwave? I don't know about y'all, but I'm worried about that baby. I really am.